Hey, what's up guys? It's Adam from Lazy Guy DIY, and today I have something a little special. It's a little different. So my friends from Home Depot have come to me and they said, hey, you know what? We are getting ready to have an awesome savings event that's gonna run through November through December, and that includes Black Friday as well. And we know that some of the best prices on tools happen around Black Friday. So they said, we know you love a bargain, we know you love shopping tools, so we're gonna give you early access to see all these tools and all these different prices and stuff and promos that are coming out, and then we're gonna let you pick your favorite ones. So what I've done is I've gone to Home Depot, I picked my favorite picks that I think I'm gonna have these on the video, and I'm gonna have even more on my website as well. So we're gonna check these things out, give you the best deals that I can find at the Home Depot, and we're gonna get you some awesome tools. So let's check these out. So first up, I have a theme for this that's going to happen, and my theme is portability and compact tools and things to haul them around in, because whether you're going to the job site or if you need to be able to pack your workstation up at home, so a lot of people don't have a dedicated shop, they just work out of their garage, whatever, it'd be nice to pack these things up. And so for that reason, that's why I checked out the Milwaukee Pack Out Kit. I've been testing these things for a few years now, and they are amazing. It's heavy duty, it's durable, it's job site tough, but it's also modular. You can expand it. So this one right here is the base, and then you can attach this one to the top of that. You can attach this bin to the top of that, and there's a whole bunch more options there. So this is a 3-piece set that you're gonna have, and it's a great deal. So check that out. The price is gonna be right here. And so once you pick that up, you got to load it up. But hey, maybe Milwaukee is not your thing and you need some different options. Well, DeWALT has their tough system, which is a great one as well. It's modular. And then there's a RIDGID one as well. So I'll link those in the profile. So you can check those out if you want to go with a different color, different brand, one of those things. But in my opinion, the Milwaukee Pack Out is one of the toughest ones, and you need to check that out. So one of the best deals that I find at Home Depot each year during Black Friday is it's a buy one, get one type of deal. And this is with Ryobi and RIDGID and Milwaukee. And I chose Milwaukee again here. But what you get is a charger. It's a rapid charger. It goes with the M12 and M18 batteries. And then you get two 4.0 amp hour batteries, which is a great deal in itself. And then you get to choose a tool to go along with it for free. Now, the deal comes in with what the tools you can get. And some of my favorites here, you get 4 choices, and there's the M18 Fuel Jigsaw, which is a fantastic jigsaw. I've reviewed it on my website if you want to check it out. It comes with all the bells and whistles. It is one of the better jigsaws that I've used, especially for a battery one. The next option is the Hackzall, M18 Fuel Hackzall reciprocating saw. It's a one-handed reciprocating saw. I've done some head-to-heads with this, and it wins every time because it's just so comfortable. It's easy to use, it's compact, and it's very powerful for a little guy too. So that's another option. There's a 5-inch angle grinder as well. I have not tested that one yet, but angle grinders are always good for all kinds of applications. And then one of the other things that I'm very excited about is the M18 Fuel Surge. This is not an impact driver, this is a hydraulic driver, and that uses oil instead of the impact motion, but it uses oil compressions to drive your lag bolts, screws, anything else in here. And the great thing about these is that they're quieter and there's less vibration. So my pick is this, or the reciprocating saw, or the jigsaw. You cannot go wrong with it. Another great option that I found if you're looking for a subcompact line is M12. If you're unfamiliar with the M12 line from Milwaukee, you have your M18, which is a bigger battery. This is a 2.0 amp hour battery here. They obviously go up to 12, which are massive bricks, but for the M12 line, the batteries are nice and tiny and the tools are very compact. And this actually isn't even the most compact impact driver that Milwaukee has, the M12 line. There's some smaller ones that are even better, and those are on promotion as well. But this is a 2-piece set. It comes with a drill and impact driver. It comes with 2 batteries, a case, and a charger. So that's a great deal to check out as well. If you're looking for a different brand and you want to stick to the 18-volt line, if you're looking for something that's compact, there's a new subcompact line, and that comes from RIDGID. They've made their tools much smaller, so check those out. That's a promotion as well. And then there's Ryobi that has their HP line, which is more powerful than the normal 18-volt line that you usually see with the One Plus. So this is the One Plus HP. So those are available as well in this, and they are exciting new tools that are just changing of what people think of these tools in the industry. So I'm excited about those. So those are worth checking out as well. So one last thing that I absolutely recommend that you stock up on is any sort of peripherals, and there are always great deals on drill bits and driver bits and everything else. And so this is Milwaukee Shockwave. They're just drill bits here, but these are fantastic ones. There's all different kinds of brands that are doing sort of combo kits of just stacking several ones together, and it is a great time to stock up because they're always at reduced prices. They are great stocking stuffers as well. And the other thing is hand tools. So this is an 8-piece set, screwdriver set from Milwaukee, but there's tons of other things from Husky as well, and it is a great time to stock up because you can get any sort of wrenches and sockets and things, and their prices are ridiculous. So check those out. Hopefully, if you're gonna go shopping, order online. It's much easier, beat the crowds, and it's gonna be running for a while. Like I said, it runs through December, so there's no major rush, especially if you order online. Or if you go in store, you can pick up deals there. They're gonna be all over the aisles, all over the place, so you can find those. So these are my picks. I think they are great choices to pick up, but you can also check my website. Like I said, it's on lazyguydiy.com, and I will link that in the description, and you'll be able to see more picks that I have and the great savings that you can get when you go. So thanks to my friends at Home Depot, and happy shopping, guys.